What if you could watch not just one, but two suns setting over Earth's horizon? Would our world get twice as warm? Would we ever see nighttime again? And could life survive on a planet in a binary star system? Not all star systems are like ours. In fact, most of them form around two stars. Some scientists even suggest that our sun once had a companion, a so-called nemesis star. Nemesis, a long-lost dwarf star, might have drifted away billions of years ago. Now we've found that many binary star systems have planets, and some even sit in the habitable zone. But could Earth be one of them? Here's the thing. Earth's fate in a binary system would depend on a lot of factors, like the size and distance of the stars. A more massive star could pull Earth too close, turning us into a crispy wasteland. Or, if neither star had a strong enough gravitational hold, Earth might be flung out into space, becoming a rogue planet, wandering the universe without a home. But let's assume Earth's orbit was stable. Maybe Earth would orbit just one of the stars while the other stayed in the background. But that's bad news for life as we know it. Both stars could end up facing Earth at the same time, with no night and double the UV radiation. Imagine the damage from two suns' solar winds. No amount of sunscreen could protect you. The Earth could fry under the intense UV rays, and temperatures would swing wildly between extremes. If Earth were to orbit both suns at once, the planet would need to be much farther away. That distance would take us out of the habitable zone, leaving Earth cold and lifeless. But here's the good news. If we replaced our sun with two stars, each half as bright, Earth could survive. The total gravity would make Earth's orbit faster, taking 280 days to circle both stars. In this scenario, the two stars would orbit each other, creating a solar eclipse every 5 days. Instead of our moon blocking the sun, it would be one star eclipsing the other for about 5 hours. With the stars closer together, Earth's orbit would stabilize. The system could maintain a stable environment for life to flourish. Nighttime would still exist, and the UV radiation would be manageable. While no small rocky planet like Earth has yet been found orbiting two suns, it's entirely possible. Somewhere out there, a world could be bathed in the light of two stars, perhaps even harboring life intelligent enough to send us a signal. So, would life be possible with two suns? Yes, but under very specific conditions, and it would make for some pretty incredible sunsets. Thanks for watching. Before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this journey. Got questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And hey, don't keep all the fun to yourself. Make sure to share this video with your friends. Spread the curiosity. Lastly, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on more mind-blowing content like this. See you in the next video, and as always, stay curious.